Hey everybody, welcome to week 5 of our journey to find the best buffalo wing in Colorado Springs. We're at Back East Barn Grill in the heart of Briargate, Colorado Springs. Nice upscale little pub, little bar here. We're gonna dig into some wings. Here we go. That flavor kicks. That flavor slaps real good. That is a good wing. All right, and always gotta try the ranch. Wow, that ranch is really good. These are very, very, very good. They definitely have the most amount of heat of all the wings that we've tried so far, and it's awesome. It has a great mouthfeel. It feels like it's a little more of a thicker sauce. It's really not, but it is a very, very good buffalo. Their ranch is super creamy and very, very good. A great combo between the spicy buffalo and kind of the cool, creamy ranch. Huge shout out to my friend Cassie for putting together this awesome montage of the amazing time that we had. We had over 35 people come out. It was over 100 degrees out on that patio, but we made the most of it. We over at AmeriDry are so thankful for all the support that we get. We are your go-to mold, water, fire, odor, trauma cleanup crew, and we look forward to serving you. Now, let's get back to the video. All right, so it is review time now. These are absolutely fantastic wings. The buffalo sauce is a little bit thicker. It's got a little bit more heat, which is a little different than the other restaurants that we've done. So it's kind of refreshing to have kind of a more of a hotter buffalo. The buffalo sauce is fantastic. As far as, we always start with texture. As far as texture goes, it is a great deep fried, juicy, tender wing. So nothing wrong there. Got to give it a solid 8. A little bit crispy, not the crispiest or the crunchiest that we've had. Great on size, great on texture, great on how it was cooked, great on how it was tossed with that buffalo. We're going to give it an 8 on texture. We're also going to give it an 8 on flavor. And that's it, man. Flavor's awesome. Huge thank you and shout out to our sponsor today, Travis Cox with Farmers Insurance. If you need homeowners insurance, autos insurance, business policies, and everything in between, Travis has got you. We know the world of insurance is kind of up in flames right now. He's the one with fire extinguisher putting stuff out. Give him a call. And we'll see you in next week's video.